While America invented the smartphone, 95% of them are now made in China. But here's what might shock you. It's not just about cheap labor anymore. China has built something the US can't easily replicate, and it's reshaping the entire global economy. I'm breaking down exactly why China dominates tech manufacturing, and why bringing production back to America isn't as simple as politicians make it sound. Stick around, because the third reason will completely change how you think about Made in China. And if you want more deep dives into the stories shaping our tech future, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. First, China didn't just build factories, they built entire ecosystems. Take Shenzhen, often called the Silicon Valley of hardware. Within a 50-mile radius, you can find every single component needed to build a smartphone. Need a screen? There's a factory next door. Custom chips? Down the street. Rare earth metals? China controls 80% of global supply. This clustering effect means a new product can go from concept to prototype in just days, not months. Second, the scale is mind-boggling. Foxconn's Zhengzhou facility, nicknamed iPhone City, employs 350,000 people and can produce 500,000 iPhones per day. But here's the kicker. When Apple needed to ramp up iPhone X production, they added 90,000 workers in just 2 weeks. Try doing that in Detroit. China's manufacturing flexibility comes from decades of infrastructure investment and a workforce trained specifically for tech assembly. Now here's what most people get wrong. This isn't about cheap labor anymore. Chinese factory workers now earn similar wages to their counterparts in Mexico or Eastern Europe. What China built is expertise. These aren't just assembly workers. They're skilled technicians who can troubleshoot complex manufacturing problems in real time. When Samsung had issues with Galaxy Note 7 batteries, guess where they went to fix it? Chinese manufacturing partners with decades of experience. Finally, there's the strategic piece. China's Made in China 2025 plan isn't just a slogan. It's a $300 billion government investment in becoming the world's tech manufacturing superpower. While the US debates infrastructure spending, China built the world's largest high-speed rail network, invested heavily in technical education, and created policies that attract global tech companies to manufacture there. The result? China now produces 28% of global manufactured goods, compared to America's 16%. And in critical tech components like semiconductors and batteries, that gap is even wider. So here's the bottom line. China's tech manufacturing advantage isn't just about cost anymore. It's about building an entire ecosystem. But here's my question for you. Do you think America can rebuild its manufacturing base to compete with China? Or is this advantage too entrenched to overcome? Drop your thoughts in comment below.